प्लेटफॉर्म पर अपनी शिकायत नहीं मानते, आप खड़गे जी के पास जाते, आप अपना रिजिग्नेशन दे देते और ये कहते कि इन हालात में मैं काम नहीं कर सकता। लेकिन आपने, लवली जी ने पब्लिकली मीडिया को लेटर जारी करके और वो एलिगेशन लगाए जिससे सीधा सीधा बीजेपी को फायदा पहुंच रहा है।
किसी के कहने पे इस्तीफा दिया, उन्होंने क्या कहना चाहते?
देखिए, ये पिछले 15-20 बीजेपी के कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में और मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि हर मल्होत्रा का टिकट रिप्लेस हो सकता है और लवली जी हो रहा है।
So when Asif Mohammed Khan in fact reached there, chaos took place. It was even down to blows. So one Congress camp versus another Congress camp, and it was a fist fight and absolute pandemonium. Now the Bharatiya Janata Party is mocking both the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress alliance, saying that their own netas are showing the mirror to the Congress party. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh says that Congress has nothing to give but disappointment. Taking the attack further, he also goes on to say that BJP said that giving ticket to Kanhaiya Kumar shows the tukde mindset of the Congress party.
ये तो उनका अंदरूनी मामला है, तो चलता रहेगा। देखिए, वहां पर कांग्रेस इसमें हताशा और निराशा की स्थिति है। अब किसी भी दल में अथवा किसी भी संगठन में यदि हताशा और निराशा की स्थिति पैदा होती है तो स्वाभाविक रूप से अंतर्कलह वहां बढ़ता है।
And Deepak Babaria, another top leader of the Congress party in Delhi, has been named by Arvinder Singh Lovely in his resignation letter, and he goes on to say that everything going wrong with the Congress party, Deepak Babaria has a role to play over there. Listen into how Deepak Babaria is responding. This is an exclusive conversation with Times Now.
Mallikarjun Kharge has accepted the resignation of Arvinder Singh Lovely, and Deepak Babaria has confirmed this to Times Now. Sir, the resignation by Arvinder Singh Lovely, the DPCC, has been accepted now.
It has been accepted by the Congress High Command. Recently only I have received that information.
Sir, what has been the whole challenge? We've seen that how there were protests against Kanhaiya Kumar, and how Arvinder Singh Lovely has also put allegations on you that you were the one why he was hurt.
As far as protest is concerned, it is all engineered, managed, and Bharatiya Janata Party especially is trying to encash on it, sending some people, paying them some remunerations for that. So I don't say when there are more than 30 lakhs in these two Assembly Parliament constituency, 30 lakhs voters, 35 lakhs. Out of that, if say 15-20 people come and make some demonstration from where they come, what is their alliance, one doesn't know, and says straightway if the media branch that there was a demonstration, I think you are doing injustice to the truthness of the news also.
Sir, Arvinder Singh Lovely has said that he was not happy with the alliance of the Congress with the Aam Aadmi Party and also the candidates who were selected.
As far as Alliance Party is concerned, it was settled 3-4 months back. He was also party to the decision. So there is no point in making any allegations on that. As far as candidate selection is concerned, I may mention that initially when the panels were submitted, even Lovely ji was also one of the candidates, portrayed as one of the candidates. And at that point of time also, no such questions were raised about it.
So will his leaving the party impact the election, because this is the time when most of the efforts are needed on ground?
It will certainly impact the elections. It will further strengthen the Congress party. It will increase the sympathy of the voters for the Kanhaiya Kumar and Udit Raj. And also, it will also provide a kind of a moral booster to the Congress workers to gear up themselves to face this challenge.
So how soon?
We'll have to take a short break here, but you're watching how that chaos is playing out in the Congress party as we are inching closer to the third phase of elections. Taking a short break, we'll be back with more news and updates.